Okay, then the Muslim festival marks the end of the fasting month. Festival, the meaning is perayaan. Perayaan Muslim, ya umat Islam, marks ditandai the end of the fasting month, berakhirnya bulan puasa of Ramadan. Ya, berakhirnya bulan puasa Ramadan. Oke, perayaan umat Islam itu ditandai dengan berakhirnya bulan puasa Ramadan. Okay. And the first paragraph, you can see the first paragraph. As Muslim around the world, sebagai Muslim di seluruh dunia, bid farewell. Bid farewell. Farewell artinya perpisahan. Bid farewell to the Muslim fasting month of Ramadan. Yaitu perpisahan pada to the Muslim fasting months of Ramadan. Bulan puasa Bulan puasa Ramadan. They also prepare for the festival of Eid al-Fitr. Mereka juga menyiapkan untuk festival Hari Raya Idul Fitri, Eid al-Fitr. Oke, jadi artinya sebagai umat Islam di seluruh dunia, bid farewell, ucapan perpisahan gitu, ucapan perpisahan to the Muslims, kepada Muslim fasting month of Ramadan, kepada bulan puasa Ramadan gitu artinya. Mereka juga menyiapkan perayaan hari raya. Perayaan hari raya, festival itu perayaan Perayaan hari Idul Fitri, artinya Eid al-Fitr, hari Idul Fitri. Oke. Anissa, please read the second paragraph. Depending on the sighting of the month.
Okay. Depending on the sighting of the moon, Eid celebration will begin either in the evening of Saturday, May 2023, or Sunday, May 24.
Yes.
The occasion will be affected this year as nations around the world take measures to curb the coronavirus pandemic, excluding the suspension of Eid prayers, outdoor festival, and other celebratory events.
Okay, good. Please stop. Yes, good. Yes. Okay, that's good. Okay, thank you, Anissa, for your reading. Yes. Depending on the sighting of the moon. Okay. Tergantung pada sighting of the moon, pengamatan bulan. Sighting artinya pengamatan. Tergantung pada pengamatan bulan. Bulan artinya bulan yang ada di langit, bukan bulan yang ada di kalender, tapi bulan yang ada di langit. Tergantung pada pengamatan bulan. Eid celebrations, perayaan Eid itu artinya hari besar, hari raya artinya. Perayaan hari raya will begin akan dimulai juga in the evening of Saturday, di malam hari of Saturday. Saturday berarti hari Sabtu, di malam hari Sabtu, May 23rd, 23 Mei, tanggal 23 Mei. Artinya tanggal 23 Mei ini sudah mulai malam Idul Fitri, artinya sudah mulai takbiran, Or Sunday May 24th, atau hari Minggu tanggal 24. Karena ada yang lebarannya itu hari Minggu, ada juga yang lebarannya hari Senin kemarin tanggal 25. Karena kita telepon siswa kita yang ada di Bangladesh, Mr. Burhanuddin, Miss Tiska masih ingat Mr. Burhanuddin. Nah, dia ngabarin saya kalau hari raya Idul Fitrinya itu hari Senin ya tanggal 25 di Bangladesh ya tanggal 25 kemarin. Makanya waktu hari Minggu kita ngucapin selamat hari raya Idul Fitri, rupanya di sana dia bilang Mister Burhanuddin, "Oh, di sini belum hari raya, besok baru hari raya Idul Fitri tanggal 25 katanya." Ya, jadi benar ya. Jadi mulainya ya takbirannya itu tanggal 23 atau hari Minggu tanggal 24. Oke. Jadi the occasion will be affected this year. Occasions ya, kejadiannya ya, will be affected, akan affected berarti diakibatkan this year, tahun ini, as nation around the world, sebagaimana bangsa-bangsa di seluruh dunia take measure to curb the coronavirus pandemics, memastikan untuk mengekang penyebaran pandemik coronavirus, memastikan untuk mengekang penyebaran pandemik coronavirus, including the suspensions of 8 prayers, termasuk penangguhan. Suspensions artinya penangguhan, of 8 prayers, sholat Idul Fitri. Jadi sholat Idul Fitri pun juga ditangguhkan. Ada juga yang sholatnya di rumah, ya kan? Nah, karena menjaga social distancing itu, ya ada juga yang sholatnya ya di lapangan ya, tetapi jaraknya berjauh-jauhan, ya pakai masker dan lain sebagainya. Ya, seperti itu. Jadi sholatnya ditangguhkan. Outdoor festivals, ya, perayaan-perayaan outdoor ya, di luar rumah itu juga dilarang ya, ditangguhkan, dilarang. Ya, sholat Idul Fitri sebagian negara juga ada yang melarang, ya kan? Ada yang melarang sholat Idul Fitri sebagian negara, jadi tidak diadakan sholat Idul Fitri. Ada juga yang bilang sholatnya di rumah, ya. Mereka pakai internet, ya kan, sholatnya, ya seperti itu. Dan acara-acara di luar rumah juga dilarang. And other celebratory events, ya, dan perayaan-perayaan yang lainnya ya juga dilarang. Ya biasanya Idul Fitri ada open house, ada bermacam-macam events ya biasanya ya. Nah, tapi tahun ini ya ini dilarang, semuanya ditangguhkan. Ya karena untuk memastikan untuk mengekang penyebaran coronavirus ini. Ya, makanya di sini disebutkan ya. Ya kejadiannya akan beda gitu ya tahun ini karena diakibatkan untuk mengekang, karena akibat ya, affected ini akibat ya, atau diakibatkan oleh sesuatu, akibat untuk mengekang penyebaran coronavirus ini ya. Jadi ada social distancing, makanya kita sholat hari Idul Fitri juga dilarang ya kan. Kemudian ada festival-festival di luar rumah juga dilarang. Oke, Miss Diska, did you visit to your friends in the 8th day on Sunday? Did you visit to your friends, Miss Diska?
I visit to my neighbor.
Okay, your neighbors. Okay. Did you open house as well? Did you open house?
Yeah, I open house.
Okay, open house. Yeah, but this year is different, right? Different with the last year,
Yeah.
and the year before. Yes.
Last year, maybe many neighbors go to my home, but this year,
Nothing.
yeah.
Nothing this year. Yes. Ya, last year and the years before, ya tahun-tahun sebelumnya, the years before, ya many people comes to our house, ya they comes to our house. Ya, mereka datang ke rumah kita, and they came, yeah, because past tense, yeah, they came to our house. But for this year, yeah, nothing, yeah, no people, yeah, no people come to our house for this year, yeah, because social distancing. Yeah, okay, so okay, continue again, Miss Diska. Please read the next paragraph, please, Miss Diska.
What is Eid al-Fitr?
Yes. Yeah.
Eid al-Fitr means festival of breaking the fast and marks the end of Ramadan. Traditionally, it is celebrated for 3 days in all Muslim majority countries.
Countries. Yeah. Countries. Yeah. Please read again. Countries. Mrs. Countries.
Countries.
Not count. Countries. Countries. Countries.
Countries.
Yes. Countries. Yeah. Countries. The meaning is negara-negara. Yeah. More than one. Lebih dari satu. If just one, you can read country. Yeah, just one country. But more than one, you can adding es. Bisa ditambahkan es. Ya, kamu bisa menambahkan es. Plural ya, more than one, lebih dari satu. Countries. Okay. Eid al-Fitr. Eid al-Fitr. Yeah. Eid al-Fitr. This is from Arabic language. Yeah. Eid al-Fitr means festival of breaking the fast. Ya, berarti perayaan of breaking the fast. Ya, breaking artinya breaking the fast artinya setelah bulan puasa ya, fasting ya, fast dari kata fasting. Ya, perayaan setelah puasa. Breaking artinya selepas pecahnya bulan puasa, setelah puasa gitu kan. And marks ya, dan ditandai atau bertanda ya, and marks artinya bertanda, dan bertanda the end of Ramadan, berakhirnya bulan Ramadan. Traditionally ya, secara tradisional, Eid is celebrated. Kalau celebrating artinya merayakan ya, celebrate merayakan, celebrated dirayakan ya. Idul Fitri dirayakan for 3 days ya, for 3 days, selama 3 hari. In all Muslim, pada seluruh umat Islam, majority countries, mayoritas ya, negara-negara ya, mayoritas di negara-negara. Jadi secara tradisional Idul Fitri itu dirayakan selama 3 hari, yaitu mayoritas ya di negara-negara ya, semua negara ya, sebagian negara ya, mayoritas Idul Fitri itu dirayakan selama 3 hari ya, seperti di Indonesia, di Arab Saudi ya, di negara-negara Timur Tengah, Australia dan lain sebagainya lah. Itu rata-rata Idul Fitri dirayakan selama 3 hari. Ya, artinya 3 hari ini kalau kita tahun-tahun sebelumnya ya, rumah kita ini selalu padat ya, orang yang datang ke rumah, orang yang silaturahim. Selama 3 hari itu full. Ya, selama 3 hari ini kita terus kedatangan tamu. Ya, seperti itu. Kalau di Arab Saudi takbiran selama 3 hari ya, masih takbiran selama 3 hari itu kalau hari raya Idul Fitri. Jadi masih 3 hari merayakan Idul Fitri. Kemudian kalau hari raya Idul Adha di Arab Saudi itu selama 1 minggu, takbirannya selama 1 minggu ya, something like that. Jadi lebih lama Idul Adha daripada Idul Fitri ya. Okay. That's good. Do you have any questions for this paragraph? I will ask to Miss Diska first. Miss Diska, do you have any questions?
I have not question.
You have no questions. Okay. Then Miss Yona, do you have question for this paragraph? Miss Yona. Okay.
I have no question.
You have no questions. Okay, have you opened the materials, Yona? Have you opened?
Yes, sometimes is um you what is sometimes is uh, disappear.
About what? About the materials.
I use the smartphone for open Zoom and
Okay.
browser.
Okay, so sometimes the material lost like that. You cannot see
Yes.
sometimes. Okay. Yeah, if we use smartphone sometimes, yeah, like that sometime. Okay, that's no problem. The most important you can follow. You can follow the class and see the materials. Okay,
Yes.
so if you have no questions, it's okay. You have no questions. The meaning is I don't have questions. Yeah, I don't have questions. But
I don't have
American,
question.
yes, American says I have no. Yeah, I have no idea. I have no questions. And the meaning is I don't have. Okay. Then now I'm gonna ask to Anissa. Anissa, do you have any question for this paragraph?
No, no,
No,
I
I
don't
don't
have
have
question.
question.
Okay, you don't have questions. Okay, so I will continue. I will continue again if you have no questions. Okay, you can see the next paragraph. Yeah. How is the start of it determined? Okay, please read by Anissa. How is the start of it determined? Yeah, please read Anissa the next paragraph, please.
How
How
is
is
the
the
start
start
of
of
it
it
determined?
determined?
Like
Like
Ramadan,
Ramadan,
Eid
Eid
al-Fitr
al-Fitr
begins
begins
with
with
the
the
sighting
sighting
of
of
the
the
crescent
crescent
moon,
moon
a
a
day
day
after
after
the
the
moon.
moon.
So
So
Muslims
Muslims
have
have
to
to
wait
wait
until
until
the
the
evening
evening
before
before
Eid
Eid
to
to
verify
verify
its
its
date.
date.
Okay,
If
If
the
the
good.
crescent
Please
crescent
moon
moon
stop. Yes, just like that. Yeah, that's good. Okay, thank you, Anissa, for the reading. Yes, that's good. How is the start of it determined? Kapan? Ya, bagaimana? Sorry, how? The meaning is bagaimana? Bagaimana apa? The start of it, permulaan atau dimulainya Eid, hari raya. Ya. Bagaimana dimulainya hari raya? Determined. Ya. Determine artinya ditentukan. Ya, determine artinya ditentukan. Ya. Artinya kapan gitu ditentukan hari raya. Hari raya Idul Fitri ini bagaimana cara menentukannya gitu. Cara menentukan hari raya Idul Fitri. Nah, di sini dijelaskan di paragraf di bawahnya, like Ramadan, seperti Ramadan, Eid al-Fitr begin with the sighting of the crescent moon. Ya. Idul Fitri dimulai dengan pengamatan the crescent moon. Crescent moon artinya bulan sabit ya. Crescent artinya sabit, artinya bulan yang sabit ya, bulan yang seperti sabit gitu. Crescent moon. Jadi dimulai dengan pengamatan bulan sabit, yaitu bulan Syawal. Dalam kurung a day after the new moon. Ya, sehari setelah sorry. I will call you back because suddenly off. So I will call. Oh, sorry, still 10 minutes. Yeah, still 10 minutes. So 10 minutes later, this Zoom will off. Yeah, so when it's off, you can start again. You can start again, enter to the Zoom because I haven't upgrade this Zoom applications. Yeah. So you can start again. Okay. Miss Jiska, halo.
Ya,
Oke,
halo.
tolong dijelaskan yang saya jelaskan tadi, Miss Jiska, seperti Ramadan sampai tanda kurung itu, Miss Jiska. Like Ramadan, ya, like
Oh,
Ramadan, yes.
sep-
Seperti Ramadan,
seperti Ramadan,
yes.
Idul Fitri
Idul Fitri,
dimulai
iya dimulai
dengan
pengamatan,
penampakan
ya.
pengamatan
Mm-mm.
bulan sabit ya.
Bulan sabit, oke, good, good. Bulan sabit, yaitu a day, ya, suatu, yaitu hari, ya, a day, hari, atau sehari, ya, a day artinya artinya ya, day artinya hari, jadi sehari after the new moon, jadi satu hari setelah bulan baru. Jadi artinya bulan tanggal 1, ya kan, tanggal 1 itu bulan baru, ya kan. Nah, itu sehari setelah bulan baru, yaitu masuk hari masuk bulan Syawal, bulan Syawal, ya. So Muslims, yes, jadi Muslim have to wait, harus menunggu, yes. Have to wait until the evening, sampai evening, sampai senja. Evening artinya awal malam, ya, artinya senja. Kalau di Indonesia evening itu dimulai dari jam 6 sore. Jadi kalau sudah jam 6 sore, matahari sudah gelap, sudah tidak nampak matahari, itu sudah masuk evening, ya. Tapi kalau matahari masih nampak, itu masih afternoon, ya. Masih afternoon, ya, seperti itu. Jadi Muslim harus menunggu, ya, menunggu sampai evening, sampai malam hari, before it to verify its date, ya, sebelum tanggal hari raya itu verify artinya jelas gitu loh. Sebelum tanggal hari raya itu jelas, artinya sebelum nampak bulan sabit itu, ya, sebelum nampak bulan sabit itu umat Islam harus menunggu, ya, untuk memutuskan besok itu hari raya Idul Fitri atau belum, seperti itu. Jadi umat Islam harus menunggu sampai waktu senja, ya, sampai kelihatan bulan sabit, ya, something like that. Do you understand with my explanations? Do you understand, Miss Jiska?
I'm understood, Mr.
Ya, artinya dimaksud di sini paham, ya. Oke. Okay, Miss Jiska, please read again the next paragraph, please. Read again. Then I will give you question after this. The next paragraph.
If atau because
Yes, please.
because ya.
Yes. It the crescent moon.
Okay.
Yes.
If the crescent moon is not visible, Ramadan continues for another day. Because it is a lunar event, the date of it changes annually on the Gregorian calendar and varies from country to country depending on geographical location.
Good. Please stop. Thank you, Miss Jiska. Okay. If the crescent moon is not visible, artinya apa itu, Miss Jiska? What is the meaning?
Jika bulan sabit tidak terlihat ya.
Tidak terlihat. Good. Yes. Jika bulan sabit tidak terlihat, ya, if the crescent moon is not visible, ya, jika bulan sabit tidak terlihat, Ramadan continues for another day. Ramadan dilanjutkan sampai hari berikutnya, ya. Jadi kalau bulan sabit itu belum terlihat, berarti besok belum hari raya. Berarti besok belum hari raya Idul Fitri. Jadi Ramadan tetap berlanjut, ya, sampai hari berikutnya. ya, sampai besok lagi ya. Mungkin kalau ini Ramadannya 29 hari ya digenapkan sampai 30 ya, 30 Ramadan, 30 hari bulan puasa ya. Gitu. Ya, setelah tanggal 30 ya pasti nampak bulan Syawal, karena bulan juga seperti itu ya kan. Nah, jadi setelah tanggal 3 nggak mungkin Ramadan itu sampai 31 hari, nggak mungkin ya. Biasanya 29 hari atau 30 hari seperti itu. Oke, maka di sini dibilangnya Ramadan continues for another day. Another day artinya satu yang lain ya. Day artinya hari, jadi satu hari berikutnya. Jadi Ramadan dilanjutkan sampai satu hari berikutnya. Bukan other day ya. Kalau other artinya yang lain-lain ya. Other friends ya, my other friends ya, teman-teman saya yang lain. Yang lain-lain artinya banyak, lebih dari satu. Tapi kalau my another friend, ini teman saya yang satu gitu. Yang lainnya yang satu lagi gitu. Ini teman saya yang satu lagi. He is my another friends ya, dia teman saya yang satu. Oh gitu. Kalau my other friends ya berarti teman-teman saya yang lain-lain. Berarti banyak, lebih dari satu. Ya, seperti itu. Nah, maka di sini dibilangnya Ramadan continues for another day. Maka Ramadan dilanjutkan sehari berikutnya ya, sehari berikutnya. Gitu. Seperti itu artinya. Jadi bahasa Inggris ini udah otomatis ya. Seperti another artinya satu, ya, satu yang lain. Jadi seperti itu. Because it is a lunar event. Ya, karena ini ya, it is a lunar event. Lunar artinya bulan ya. Lunar artinya sama dengan moon, bulan. Tapi lunar ini lebih dekat ke tanggalan bulan ya. Kalau moon artinya bulan, kalau lunar ini tanggalan bulan. Jadi bulan ini juga memiliki tanggal ya, tanggal 1, 2, 3 ya. Sampai puncaknya tanggal 15 bulan itu kelihatan penuh ya kan. Seperti itu. Ya, karena ini adalah kejadian tanggalan bulan. Jadi kita hari raya Idul Fitri ini bukan menurut tanggalan Masehi, tapi kita melihat bulan. Jadi tanggalan bulan gitu. Jadi ditentukan oleh bulan. The date of Eid changes. Ya. Tanggal hari raya, Eid ini artinya hari raya, changes berganti-ganti. Ya, change artinya ganti, kalau changes artinya berganti-ganti. Annually, ya annually, itu tulisannya annually, bacanya annually. Annually artinya setiap tahun. Ya, annually artinya setiap tahun. Nah, contohnya annual salary, berarti gaji tahunan, gitu kan? Annual salary, annual artinya tahunan ya, tahun. Yang berganti setiap tahun. Jadi tanggal hari raya itu setiap tahun berganti-ganti. On the Gregorian calendar, ya, di tanggal Gregoria, ya, tanggal Gregoria. Jadi ada tanggalan itu, ada tanggalan Masehi ya, tanggalan Masehi yang kita pakai ini. Ada tanggalan Gregoria. Gregoria ini tanggalan orang Yunani ya. Dulu ada Julius ya, Julius apa itu Yunani. Masehi juga memakai nama-nama Yunani ya, seperti Januari, Februari, March, ya, April, Mei ya. Ini adalah nama-nama orang-orang Yunani ya. June, July, Agustus ya, itu nama-nama orang Yunani juga. Tapi tanggalan Gregorian ini dia itu apa ya? Tanggalan ini menggambarkan setiap lompatan tahun ya, setiap lompatan tahun seperti itu. Oke, saya akan mulai lagi. I will start again. Oh, please, this is must update actually. Okay, no problem. This is must be updated. Oh my gosh. Why can start again? Okay, actually must have the new or how? Oh, my Zoom finish. Oh my god. So sometimes connections like this and participants as well. Just oh my god. Hello, Miss Diska. Hello. Yes. Hello, Miss Diska.
Hello, Mr.
Yes. Yeah. You can waiting. Yes, waiting the other students.
Okay.
Yes. Hello, Anissa.
Yes.
Yes. Do you have any questions for this?
No.
Okay, you don't have any questions. And Miss Jiska, do you have? Do you have any questions?
I have not questions, Mr.
Okay, you have no questions. So I think you understood. Okay. So, okay, continue again. Yeah. Because it is a lunar event. Ya, karena ini adalah kejadian tanggalan bulan. The date of it changes annually. Hari raya berganti-ganti annually, ya, setiap tahun. On the Gregorian calendar, ya, di tanggal Gregorian, ya, and varies from country to country, ya, dan bermacam-macam, ya, dari negara ke negara, depending on geographical locations, ya, geographical locations, tergantung pada lokasi geografis, ya, pada lokasi geografis, pada lokasi bumi, ya. Geo artinya bumi, ya. Grafis artinya gambar, grafik, ya, penampakan bumi, ya. Ya, jadi tanggal hari raya itu bergantung pada tanggalan bulan, ya, pada penampakan bulan sabit tadi. Ya, dan hari raya Idul Fitri ini setiap tahun selalu berganti-ganti, ya, termasuk di tanggalan Gregoria, ya, tanggalan Gregoria, dan bermacam-macam, ya, dari negara ke negara, ya, tergantung letak, ya, tergantung lokasi geografisnya, ya, seperti mungkin di Arab Saudi mungkin belum nampak bulan sabit itu, ya, tanggal 24 Mei kemarin mungkin di Arab Saudi belum nampak bulan sabit, ya kan, bulan sabitnya itu belum nampak, tapi di Indonesia sudah nampak. Nah, berarti di Indonesia besok sudah hari raya Idul Fitri, gitu. Jadi Idul Fitri itu dimulai tanggal 2 setelah bulan baru. Jadi bulan Syawal ini kan tanggal 1. Ya, kalau tanggal Syawal itu tanggal 1 udah nampak bulan sabit, tanggal 1 malamnya bulan Syawal itu udah nampak bulan sabit. Ya, berarti tanggal 2 besok itu hari raya Idul Fitri. Jadi tanggal 2, ya, tanggal 2 Syawal Idul Fitri itu. Ya, masuk bulan Syawalnya itu pas takbiran itu. Ya, seperti itu. Oke. Ya, tergantung letak geografisnya, ya. Kalau mungkin di Amerika bulan Syawalnya belum nampak, di Indonesia sudah nampak. Berarti di Indonesia sudah duluan hari raya. Di Amerika ya menyusul hari berikutnya, ya. Seperti itu. Okay, the last one, please read by Miss Anissa to declare the start of 8. Please read, Anissa. The last paragraph. Yes.
To declare the start of a Muslim majority countries
Yes.
depend on the testimonies of local moon sectors. The local religious authorities then announce when Eid will be taking place.
Okay, good. Okay, thank you. Please. Okay, thank you. Yes, your reading already good. Yes. Okay. To declare the start of Eid. Declare artinya deklarasi, apa? Declare. Apa itu artinya? Declare. Apa artinya? Declare artinya? Siapa yang tahu di sini? Miss Anissa tahu nggak declare artinya?
Kalau salah kayaknya mendeklarasikan.
Iya, mendeklarasikan artinya ya mengumumkan, ya kan, declare, ya, declaring, declared, ya, berarti diumumkan, di apa ya? Ya, diumumkan seperti itu, ya. Untuk mengumumkan the start of Eid, ya, mulainya hari raya, ya, deklarasi, declare, mulainya hari raya. Muslim majority countries, umat Islam mayoritas di negara-negara, depends, bergantung, on the testimonies, bergantung pada testimoni of local moon siders, ya, pengamat bulan lokal, ya, pengamat bulan lokal. Ya, jadi untuk mengumumkan kapan mulainya hari raya Idul Fitri itu umat Islam di berbagai negara, yaitu bergantung pada testimoni pengamat bulan setempat. Jadi di Indonesia kan ada badan pengamat bulan, ya kan, yang bagian yang badan isbat, ya, badan isbat yang mengumumkan besok besok mulai puasa, ya kan? Oh, besok sudah mulai hari raya Idul Fitri, ya, yang dipegang oleh Badan Isbat ini dipegang oleh KU Badan Kementerian Agama, ya, Kementerian Agama. Ya, seperti itu. Jadi semua negara itu bergantung pada pengamat bulan setempat. Ya, kalau di Indonesia, oh sudah melihat teropongnya, sudah melihat bulan sabit itu. Ya, berarti Menteri Agama di Indonesia waktu itu juga langsung mengumumkan, ya, langsung diumumkan di TV ya secara nasional bahwa besok sudah mulai hari raya Idul Fitri. Ya, seperti itu. Sighters, ya, sights artinya pengamat, sighting tadi mengamati, ya, sight pengamat, ya. Sights artinya lihat, ya, sight SIGHT artinya melihat. Kalau sighting artinya mengamati, ada tambahan ing gitu. Ya, artinya mengamati. Kalau sighters artinya orangnya, ya, sighter artinya pengamat. Kalau ada S-nya berarti lebih dari satu, berarti pengamat. Okay, something like that. The local religious authorities. Ya. Wewenang, authorities artinya wewenang. Ya. Religious keagamaan. Ya. Wewenang keagamaan lokal setempat. Ya. Wewenang keagamaan setempat. Then announce, kemudian mengumumkan. Ya. Announce artinya mengumumkan. When Eid will be taking place, ya, kapan hari raya akan terjadi, ya. Kapan hari raya akan taking place itu artinya terjadi, ya. Oke, ya, setelah ada testimoni dari pengamat bulan, ya, pengamat bulan setempat, maka Badan Keagamaan setempat mengumumkan kapan hari raya Idul Fitri akan terjadi. Ya, seperti ini. Okay, I think this is enough. So, do you understand? Do you understand about this, Miss Diska?
Yeah, I understood, Mr.
Okay, and Miss Yona, do you understand?
I understand, but I can explain in English.
Okay. Okay, you understood already, Miss Yona. Miss Yona. Okay.
Sorry?
Yes. Do you understand about this, Miss Yona?
I understand, but I can explain in English.
Okay, no problem. And Miss Anissa, do you understand about this?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Okay, so I will ask to you. I will give you some questions about this. Yes, I will give you some questions about this. I will ask one by one about this topic. Okay, I will ask to Miss Diska first about this topic. Okay, Miss Diska, I will ask to you so you can explain to us. Okay, how is the start of Eid Fitri? How is the start of Eid determined? Yeah, how is the start of Eid determined? You can see the topic, Miss Diska. Yeah, I asked to you, and you can explain this. How is the start of Eid determined? You can see the paragraph. Okay, so now you can explain to us. Yeah, how is the start of Eid determined?
Sorry, Mister, can you repeat?
Yeah, you can see this. You can see the paragraph, please. You can see the paragraph. The second. Sorry, I will. This is after what is Eid al-Fitr. Then the next you can see the question like this. How is the start of Eid determined? Yes, you can see the trending topic. How is the start of Eid determined? Have you seen? Have you seen that? Yeah, like Ramadan, Eid al-Fitr begin with the sighting of the crescent moon. You can see that. Okay, have you seen, Miss Diska?
Okay.
Okay, okay. Please explain to us. Explain to us. You can resume that. Anda bisa merangkum itu and explain to us. Tolong jelaskan pada kami. How is the start of age determined?
Okay.
Please.
For how to know when it Alfitr begins,
Yes.
the sighter
Yes.
see the sighting of the crescent moon. So Muslims have to wait until the evening before Eid to verify is that
Yes.
if the sacred moon is not visible, Ramadan continues for another day.
Okay, good. Excellent. Excellent. Yeah. So that's how to
How
determine.
to know
Yes, to know when
when
the Eid
Eid
start.
al-Fitr
Yeah, Eid
start?
al-Fitr start. Okay, good. Excellent. Yeah, that's correct. Thank you, Ms. Tiska. Can you explain that in Indonesian, please? Can you explain that in Indonesian?
Oke,
Yeah.
jadi untuk bagaimana mengetahui Ramadan itu dimulai.
Sorry, not
Para
Ramadan. Idul Fitri. Idul Fitri.
Oh ya, Idul Fitri dimulai,
Yeah.
para pengamat melihat penampakan bulan sabit.
Yes.
Jadi umat Islam itu harus menunggu sampai malam sebelum Idul Fitri untuk memastikan tanggalnya.
Yes.
Kalau bulannya tidak terlihat, Ramadannya berlanjut di lain harinya.
Okay, excellent. Excellent. Okay. Ya, seperti itu. Ya, something like that. Ya, good. So Miss Diska was good explanations. Yeah, thank you, Miss Diska, for your explanations. For your
You're welcome,
explanations.
Mr.
Yes. Thank you, yeah, for your explain to us. Okay. So that was good. Ya, jadinya Idul Fitri ya in Indonesia, in Indonesians ya, Indonesian language ya, was like that ya, seperti Miss Diska tadi. Okay. So the next questions I will ask to Yona for the next questions. I will ask to Miss Yona now. Okay, Miss Yona, please see the material, the trending topic. Yes. Okay, I will ask to Yona. What is Eid al-Fitr? What is Eid al-Fitr? You can see the trending topic. What is Eid al-Fitr? Yes. Okay, you can open your speaker first, Yona. You can open your speaker, please. Okay, Yona. Okay. Hello, Yona.
Eid is celebration for ending Ramadan.
Okay, for ending Ramadan. Okay, can you repeat again, please, Yona? Please repeat again. Diulangi lagi. Yes.
I lost.
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
Okay. Okay, I will ask to Anissa now. Yona can resume first. Ya, bisa merangkum dulu. Okay, I will ask to Anissa. about these questions? Yeah, please answer. Anissa, I will ask to you. You can see the materials. I will ask to Anissa.
I find it.
Oh, you already found it. Okay. Miss Yona, please explain to us about that.
It, it Alfit means festival of breaking the fast and mark the end of Ramadan.
Yes.
Traditionally, it celebrates for 3 days in all Muslim minorities countries.
Okay.
How my pronoun?
Okay. That's good. So, can you explain that in Indonesians?
Idul Fitri artinya festival perayaan usai puasa dan ditandai dengan berakhirnya Ramadan.
Oke, good. Ditandai dengan berakhirnya. Ya.
What?
Yes, oke. Oke. Berakhirnya bulan Ramadan. Oke, ditandai berakhirnya bulan Ramadan. Oke. Atau bertanda berakhirnya bulan Ramadan. Oke, please continue again. Continue again, please.
Traditionally, it celebrated for 3 days in all Muslim majority countries.
Yes. What is the meaning in Indonesians?
Secara tradisional, Idul Fitri dirayakan 3 hari di seluruh dunia, seluruh mayoritas dunia Muslim.
Oke. Yes, mayoritas ya negara-negara Muslim ya, atau di ya mayoritas negara-negara Muslim di seluruh dunia merayakan Idul Fitri selama 3 hari. Ya, selama 3 hari. Oke, ya jadi yang umumnya itu selama 3 hari itu ya dirayakan, karena takbiran pun juga 3 hari masih dikumandangkan takbir sebenarnya kalau hari raya Idul Fitri itu. Kalau di Arab Saudi masih dikumandangkan takbir selama 3 hari. Okay, good. So that was your explanations ya. Ya jadi seperti itu. Apakah hari Idul Fitri itu ya tadi sudah dijelaskan sama Miss Yona bahwa Idul Fitri adalah perayaan setelah bulan puasa. Ya, yang ditandai atau bertanda berakhirnya bulan Ramadan, yaitu adalah hari raya Idul Fitri. Oke. Excellent. Okay, thank you, Yona. Thank you for your explanations to us. Okay. Then Miss Anissa, I will ask to you, Anissa. This is the last one. Will be Anissa. I will ask to Anissa. Okay. Anissa. Okay, I will ask the first paragraph to Anissa. The first paragraph. Anissa, are you there? Anissa? Hello? You can open your microphone first, Anissa. Yes. Hello, Anissa?
Hello.
Okay. Okay, I will ask to you the first paragraph. Okay, please see the material. The first paragraph is, as Muslim around the world bid farewell. Ya, bid farewell. Farewell, the meaning is perpisahan. Okay. Please explain to us about the first paragraph, Anissa. As Muslim around the world, you can read first, then explain to Indonesian language.
Okay.
Please.
As Muslim around the world bid farewell to the Muslim fasting month of Ramadan, we also prepare for the festival of Eid al-Fitr. Depending on the sighting of the moon, Eid celebration will begin either in the evening of Saturday, May 23rd or Sunday, May 24th.
Okay, good. Please explain in Indonesian, Anissa.
Ketika umat Islam di seluruh dunia
Yes.
mengucapkan salam bunga pada bulan puasa Ramadan, mereka juga bersiap untuk festival Idul Fitri. Tergantung pada penampakan bulan. Perayaan Idul Fitri akan dimulai pada malam hari Sabtu 23 Mei atau Minggu tanggal 24 Mei.
Okay, good. Excellent. Yes, excellent. Yeah, that's good. Okay, thank you for your explanation, Anissa. Okay, that was good. Yes. The first paragraph is about when is Eid al-Fitr 2020. Ya, so Anissa already explained to us. Ya, sebagai Muslim di seluruh dunia, ya, perpisahan untuk bulan Ramadan mereka menyiapkan festival untuk hari raya Idul Fitri. Ya, sebagai perpisahan bulan Ramadan mereka menyiapkan untuk perayaan hari raya Idul Fitri. Ya, jadi setelah bulan Ramadan, untuk perpisahan dengan bulan Ramadan ini mereka persiapan untuk merayakan Idul Fitri, yaitu hari setelah bulan Ramadan. Bergantung pada pengamatan bulan, perayaan Idul Fitri akan dimulai juga di malam ya atau di hari Sabtu malam tanggal 23 Mei atau tanggal 24 Mei. Oke, good. Excellent, ya. Okay, so thank you for all. Yeah, today our trending topic is about Idul Fitri, Eid al-Fitr. Okay, because now is Idul Fitri. Yeah, so the trending topic of this, ya. Jadi trending topiknya seperti ini. Okay, so you understood already, yeah. So yeah, Idul Fitri is depending on the moon, ya. Bergantung pada bulan, ya. On the lunar, ya, tanggalan bulan. So everything ya like Muslim celebrations ya hari raya Islam ya depending to the moons ya bergantung pada bulan. Ya, for example Ramadan ya Ramadan juga bergantung pada bulan. Ya, so the Muslims calendar is depending to the moons. Ya, jadi tanggalan Muslim itu bergantung pada bulan. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so Miss Yona already. Okay, now I will ask to Miss Diska. I will ask to Miss Diska. This is still 10 minutes more. Yeah, so we will leave the class. I will ask to Miss Diska. Miss Diska. Hello. Yes, Diska. Hello.
Hello?
Yes. Can you introduce to us again because we have another student. Yeah, we have another student, not other student, but another student. Okay, so can you introduce to us about yourself? You can introduce your name.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Okay. Okay. Hello, my name is Diska Yasti. You can call me Diska. I'm college. And I live in Bogor.
Okay. What is your hobby, Miss Diska? What is your hobby?
I have many hobbies, but actually my hobbies is listening music,
Okay.
especially K-pop.
K-pop. Okay, good. Okay. Thank you, Miss Diska. Okay. And
Kamisa.
yes, I will ask to Anissa. Anissa, do you have any questions to Miss Diska? Do you have?
No.
You must ask one questions. to Miss Tiska. You ask what? You must ask anything. You can ask to Miss Tiska. Do you know Miss Tiska favorite food? You can ask to Miss Tiska. Anissa, yes.
Why do you like K-pop?
Because
Yes.
the music like so energetic and yeah, I like it.
Okay. Okay, good. Okay, do you have question again? Anissa, do you have?
No.
Okay, that's enough. Yeah, okay, that's enough. Okay, Miss Tiska like listen K-pop music because that's good music and actually entertain music, entertains, menghibur. Okay, good. And Miss Yona, do you have questions to Miss Tiska?
I think it's enough.
Okay, do you know Miss Tiska favorite food? Favorite food, Miss Tiska.
I don't know.
Okay, you can ask to Miss Tiska. What is Miss Tiska favorite food?
Hi, Miss Tiska. What is your favorite food and why?
Um, I like noodle.
What?
Boiled noodle
Yeah.
or fried noodle, Miss Tiska?
Uh,
Yeah.
uh, I like noodle.
Okay, even boiled noodle and fried noodle, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Boiled noodle mie rebus and fried noodle mie goreng. Yeah. Okay, she likes noodle. Why? Miss Yona asks to you. Why, Miss Tiska? Why you likes noodle?
I don't know what the reason, but I love noodle.
Okay. Yes, because the favorite, yeah, favorite food. Okay. Okay, thank you, Miss Tiska. Yona, do you have any question again to Miss Tiska? Do you have?
Do you like instant noodle?
Can you repeat again, Yona,
Hello?
please?
Do you like instant noodle?
Yeah, especially I like instant noodle, but my mom can agree with me if I always eat it.
Okay.
Eat junk food. That was junk food.
Junk food, yes, junk food makanan ringan ya, junk food. Ya, junk food. Junk artinya sebenarnya junk itu adalah rongsokan ya, junk ya. Tulisannya JONK gitu kan. Itu adalah rongsokan artinya, tapi dalam bahasa Inggris junk food ini ya, junk food arti sebenarnya kan rongsokan ya, junk gitu ya, barang rongsokan gitu, barang bekas ya. Tapi junk food artinya ya makanan ringan ya, bukan makanan bekas ya. Makanan ringan. Yes, something like that. Like what are junk food? Ayona, can you tell me what are junk food? Apa aja itu junk food itu?
Like burger, pizza,
Yes.
and something instant
Yes, something instant. Yeah, that junk food.
like mackerel,
Yeah, mackerel.
sarden,
Hmm.
mackerel sarden,
Okay, that's good.
something like that.
Yeah, something like that.
Something like that.
Yes, junk food is instant. Yes, something instantly. Yeah, something instantly. Yeah, sesuatu yang instan. Okay, good.
And not healthy.
Not healthy. Yes. Yeah, sometimes the junk food is not healthy. Sometimes. Sometimes. Okay. Because the junk food has many, yeah, calorie. Yeah, sometimes, yeah, calorie, and yeah, it's not healthy sometimes. Okay, so Yona, please introduce yourself to another student. Please introduce yourself, Yona.
Yes.
Yes.
Hello, my name, you can call me Yona. I'm from Kudus Central Java. My hobby is listening to music and I'm doing job. My favorite food
Favorite,
is
favorite, not favorite, but favorite. Yeah.
favorite.
Yes.
My favorite food is not a good meal. Anything.
Yeah.
I can smell something like menyengat. What is it?
Menyengat is a fishy smell, ya, bau amis, ya, fishy smell, ya,
Fishing.
fishy, fishy,
Yes.
fishy smell,
I don't like.
bau amis, ya, bau menyengat, ya. Oke, ya, Miss Yona, favorite foods is everything, ya, everything, semuanya, ya, but, ya, exceptly, ya, kecuali, exceptly the goat milk, ya, goat milk, apa, susu kambing, goat milk.
Not
Ya.
milk. MEAL.
Yes.
Daging.
Oh, goat meat, not milk, but meat. Goat meat. Ya, meat.
Got
Ya, goat meat. Daging kambing. Ya. She doesn't like
meat.
goat meat. Yes, goat meat, daging kambing, because the smell is
Fishing.
ya, fishy smell. Baunya amis, ya, daging kambing. Oke, she doesn't like that. Okay, so I will ask to Anissa. Anissa, do you have questions to Miss Yona? I will ask to Anissa now. You can open your microphone, Anissa. Okay. Do you have questions to Miss Yona, Anissa?
Yes, I have.
Okay, please. Okay. What is your question?
What's your favorite movie, Miss Yona?
Favorite music.
Movie.
I like drama, and anything is funny. I don't like sinetron.
Oh,
What is sinetron? Opera soap.
Okay.
I like drama.
Yes. Miss Yona likes drama. Then what again, Yona? What's again after drama? Drama, then
I don't like soap opera.
opera. Opera is like a festival in the room, right? Like
Not is sinetron.
cinetrons.
Opera soap.
Okay.
Opera sabun.
Okay, cinetrons. She doesn't like cinetrons. Yeah. Miss Yona doesn't like cinetrons. Okay. And do you have question again, Anissa? Do you have?
no.
Yes. Okay, I think that's enough, Yona. Okay.
Yes.
So you don't like drama. Sorry, you like drama, but you don't like cinetrons, like that.
Yes.
Why? Why you don't like cinetrons, Yona?
It make me dizzy.
I'm sorry.
Make me dizzy.
What's that? What is the
DIZZY.
dizzy? Dizzy. What is the meaning in Indonesian? Dizzy?
Membingungkan, pusing.
Yes, pusing, dizzy, pusing. Yeah, because the story, yeah, the cinetrons has the
Episode.
yes, the confusing story, cerita yang membingungkan ya, episodes ya. And you cannot predict anything ya. Anda tidak bisa memprediksi sesuatu in the sinetrons ya. Maybe you predict that this happen will be like this ya, bahwa kejadiannya akan seperti ini, akan seperti ini, but not actually ya. So many dramatics ya, jadi banyak drama in the sinetrons. Oh ternyata kejadiannya lain dari yang kita pikirkan. Oh ternyata kok bisa jadi baik, padahal dulunya dia jahat gitu kan, bla 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 ya. So confusing, membingungkan. Okay, I think our learning for today is enough. So we can continue again by tomorrow afternoon at 4 p.m. again. Okay, thank you Anissa. Thank you for joining this class. Anissa. Hello. And thank you Miss Diska for this learning, for today learning. And thank you Miss Yona for joining the class in today learning.
You're welcome.
Yes, and Anissa, so for today learning is enough. You can join again tomorrow afternoon. Okay, and Miss Diska, can you join again tomorrow afternoon?
Yeah, I think I can.
Yes, because yesterday you was not learning English. Yeah, you were not.
Sorry, Mister.
Yeah, you were not learning English. Yeah, you were, and I was, he was, yeah, something like that. You were not learning English, so you still learning tomorrow. You still join the class tomorrow, and tomorrow we will have another guest speaker. Yeah, 2 days ago we have guest speaker from Sudan. Yeah, his name was Mr. Ibrahim Wadi Adams, and tomorrow maybe Mr. Marco Menzel from Germany. Yeah, so will be our guest speakers. Yeah. Now he lives in Austria, not in Germany, but in Austria. Few years ago he was living in Germany, but now he is living in Austria, in Europe also, in a country in Europe, di sebuah negara, in a country in Europe, sebuah negara di Eropa. Okay, I think this enough. Okay, thank you. See you again tomorrow. Yes. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you, Mister.
Okay. You're welcome. Okay, bye.